Welcome to my channel. How to spot a bad used engine before you buy it. Step 1. Check for visible damage. First thing is, look at it for any cracks on the block, broken mounts, welds or patched spots. Walk away if you see that. Step 2. Look for oil leaks. Check around the head gaskets, oil pan, and valve covers. If it's caked in sludge or dripping, walk away. Small seepage is normal but big leaks mean trouble. Step 3. Spin the crank by hand. Put a socket on the crank pulley and turn it. It should rotate smoothly. If it's locked up or grinding, don't buy it. That means seized internals or deep wear. Step 4. Pull the oil dipstick. Wipe it clean, dip it, and check the color. Milky oil means coolant mixed in head gasket or cracked block. Dark oil is fine. Metal flakes in the oil are a big no. Step 5. Inspect spark plugs. Pop out a few plugs if you can. Oily or burnt plugs show cylinder problems. Even wear is okay. If one looks way different, that cylinder's sick. Step 6. Check compression or leak down, if possible. Not every seller will let you, but if you can, test compression. All cylinders should be close in numbers. A weak one means worn rings or valves. Step 7. Ask for mileage proof. Don't just believe when someone says low miles. Ask for the donor car's VIN or removal papers. High mileage engines can still work, at least you'll know what you're getting into. Step 8. Look for overheating signs. Check the head for warping marks or burned gaskets. If you see a lot of rust around coolant passages, that engine probably overheated and is risky. Step 9. Listen if it runs. If the seller has it on a stand and can start it, then listen. Knocking, ticking, or heavy smoke out the exhaust is instant deal breakers. A healthy used engine sounds steady. That's it. Check these 10 things before buying a used engine. Follow these, and you'll avoid most of the junk out there and land a motor that actually runs the way it should. Thanks for watching.